speed of sound is too slow from here to the back of the ball. You're going to have to watch the Jumbotron for your cue.
What is this?
I can't hear them.
Louder.
Louder.
Louder. Okay.
There you go. Ready? Like when this flashes laugh, one more time, I want everyone in the audience to laugh. Ready? Go! Okay, next sound is laughing politely. Like a polite laugh, like you're at a cocktail party. On my mark. 3, 2, 1, laugh politely.
No, that's a little too polite, I
It's
think.
a little too polite. What do you think we should do next?
I think we should laugh like a mad scientist. Would you demonstrate?
Absolutely. All right, on our mark, you're going to laugh like a mad scientist like this. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Well, that was a lot better.
I think we're ready to take over the world. All right, let's do for another one. Let's try crying. When the screen flashes crying, everybody cry. Not bad. Okay, let's do some reviewing. We're going to flash some of these commands on the screen, and I want you guys to just follow them. When it says laugh, you laugh. When it says cry, you cry. Oh, and we're going to add in a cheek pop like this. I just want to hear 150,000 people make that sound. That's all right. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do all of them together. Let's start flashing the sounds and conduct this orchestra. Go!
Cheek pop.
All right, now we're going to cycle through these commands. There we go. Smile it. I love that.
Yeah.